In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gantt chart in ClickUp. If you're planning work across weeks or months, a Gantt chart is a great way to see what needs to happen and when. It lays out your tasks on a timeline so you can quickly understand scheduling, overlaps, and overall progress. Let's walk through getting to that view in ClickUp so you can visualize your plan with confidence. Start by going to ClickUp, either in your browser or in the desktop app. Once you're in your workspace, you'll land on your home screen or the last place you visited. The goal here is simply to get into the part of your workspace where your tasks live, because the Gantt view pulls directly from those tasks. From the left sidebar, select your space. Spaces are the top-level containers that organize your work by team, department, or project category. Choosing the right space ensures you're working with the correct set of folders, lists, and tasks, and keeps your timeline clean and relevant. Inside that space, open your board or list where your tasks are stored. Boards show tasks as cards grouped by status, while lists display them in rows with columns for details like assignees and due dates. Either view is fine. The important part is that you're inside the specific location that holds the tasks you want to see on a timeline. Now look toward the top of the screen for the view options. This is where ClickUp lets you switch how you're looking at the same set of tasks. You might see existing views like List, Board, or Calendar. Open the view controls so you can choose a different way to display your work. Select Gantt from the available view types. ClickUp will load a timeline on the right and your task structure on the left. If your tasks already have start and due dates, you'll see them appear as horizontal bars that span the appropriate dates. If a task doesn't have dates yet, it won't show a bar on the chart, which is normal. You can still find it in the task list on the left. Adding dates later will place it on the timeline automatically. If you've set up any dependencies, you'll notice connecting lines indicating order and relationships, giving you a quick sense of sequence and potential bottlenecks. That's all you need to access the Gantt view in ClickUp. You've moved from your space into the right board or list, opened the view options, and switched to Gantt. From here, you can scan the schedule at a glance, spot overlaps, and understand how your work fits together over time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning with your new Gantt chart view.